Welcome to today's video. If you're a small business owner looking to elevate your marketing and drive more sales, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into how marketing automation can help you boost your sales, save time, and improve efficiency. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to implement marketing automation strategies for your small business and see results that drive growth. So, let's get started. What is marketing automation? Let's begin by understanding what marketing automation really is. Marketing automation is a technology that manages marketing processes and campaigns automatically. By using software tools, you can automate repetitive tasks like email marketing, social media posting, customer segmentation, and even tracking the behavior of your customers. In the past, these tasks would have been handled manually, which is time-consuming and often inefficient. But with automation, you can scale these efforts, ensuring that your marketing campaigns run smoothly without needing constant manual intervention. For small businesses, this is a game changer. You can run campaigns across various channels like email, social media, websites, and more, all while freeing up valuable time that would otherwise be spent on tedious tasks. Automation doesn't just save you time, it helps you run more effective and personalized marketing campaigns, which ultimately leads to more sales. The core benefits of marketing automation for small businesses. Small businesses often face challenges like limited budgets, time constraints, and limited marketing expertise. Marketing automation helps address these issues and provides numerous benefits. Let's break them down. Time saving. As a small business owner, you wear many hats. Marketing automation allows you to delegate time-consuming tasks to software, such as sending out routine emails, posting on social media, or managing your customer database. This gives you more time to focus on other important aspects of your business, such as product development, customer service, and growing your brand. Cost-effective. Hiring an entire team to handle marketing tasks can be expensive. Marketing automation tools, however, are often affordable, and they allow you to achieve a higher level of marketing efficiency without breaking the bank. By automating manual tasks, you can reduce the costs of labor and still enjoy professional quality marketing. Improved customer engagement. One of the most important elements of marketing automation is its ability to send personalized messages. Imagine being able to follow up with customers exactly when they need it with relevant offers, discounts, and information that fits their interests. Whether it's an email welcoming them to your brand or an abandoned cart reminder, automation ensures that your customers are continuously engaged at the right time, with the right message. Enhanced customer insights. With marketing automation, you can track customer behavior, from email open rates to website activity. These tools give you valuable insights into your customers' preferences and actions. By analyzing this data, you can refine your marketing strategies to improve your results. For example, if you notice that a particular segment of your audience is responding well to a specific product, you can tailor future campaigns to highlight that product more. Consistency and scalability. Marketing automation ensures that your marketing efforts are consistent, even if you're not available to manually manage everything. It allows you to scale your campaigns as your business grows, meaning you can engage with a larger audience without overwhelming your team or resources. How marketing automation drives sales for small businesses. Now that we understand the benefits of marketing automation, let's explore how it can directly lead to more sales for your business. 1. Lead generation and lead nurturing. One of the primary ways marketing automation helps drive sales is through lead generation and nurturing. Leads are the lifeblood of any business, and marketing automation can help you capture leads more efficiently. For example, you can set up automated lead capture forms on your website, social media, or landing pages. When a visitor provides their information, they're automatically added to your email list, and from there, you can nurture them with automated email sequences. These sequences can include valuable content, special offers, and personalized messages that gradually push the lead down the sales funnel. Nurturing leads through automation ensures that you stay top of mind and continue providing value, which eventually helps you convert them into paying customers. Instead of waiting for leads to come to you, automation allows you to proactively engage them until they're ready to buy. 2. Email marketing automation. Email marketing is one of the most powerful tools in your marketing arsenal. And with marketing automation, you can do so much more than just sending out generic emails. You can create personalized email sequences, set up triggers based on user behavior, and segment your audience to ensure that your emails are tailored to their needs. Here's an example. If a potential customer abandons their cart on your website, you can set up an automated email reminder. You can even offer a discount or remind them of the items in their cart to encourage them to complete their purchase. This simple automation has the potential to recover abandoned sales and increase your conversion rates. Additionally, automated email sequences can be used to welcome new subscribers, re-engage dormant customers, or cross-sell additional products based on previous purchases. The power of email automation is that it builds trust over time and can drive continuous sales without requiring constant effort. 3. Personalized customer experiences. Personalization is key to driving more sales. Automated tools allow you to segment your customers into different groups based on behaviors, demographics, or purchase history. By doing this, you can send targeted messages that are more likely to resonate with your audience. For instance, if you run an e-commerce store, you can create automation rules that recommend products based on a customer's past purchases or browsing activity. If a customer bought a pair of shoes, you can send them an email offering related accessories or upcoming seasonal items. The more personalized your marketing, the more likely customers will engage and make a purchase. Automation helps you personalize your messages at scale, ensuring that every customer feels like they're receiving a tailored experience. 4. Customer retention and repeat sales. Acquiring new customers is important, but retaining existing ones is where the real value lies. Marketing automation allows you to automate the customer retention process by sending follow-up emails, loyalty offers, and re-engagement campaigns. For example, after a customer makes a purchase, you can set up an automated thank you email along with recommendations for related products. Additionally, you can create automated post-purchase surveys to gather feedback and improve your customer experience. This helps you build a relationship with your customers, increasing the likelihood that they'll return for future purchases. One of the most effective forms of retention through automation is loyalty programs. You can automatically track points, offer discounts, or send rewards to repeat customers, making them feel valued and appreciated. 5. Behavioral tracking and dynamic content. With marketing automation, you can track customer behavior in real time. By observing how customers interact with your emails, website, and social media, you can adjust your messaging to suit their interests. For instance, if a customer clicks on a particular product link in your email but doesn't purchase, you can trigger a follow-up email with an exclusive offer or a discount code to encourage a sale. Dynamic content within emails or on landing pages can also be adjusted based on the customer's behavior. A visitor who has previously browsed a certain category on your website will see tailored content that reflects their interests. This level of personalization leads to higher engagement and conversions. Tools for marketing automation. Now that we've discussed how automation drives sales, let's explore some of the best tools available for small businesses to implement marketing automation effectively. Email marketing platforms. MailChimp, a popular tool for email marketing automation. MailChimp helps you create automated email campaigns and segment your audience based on behavior. It's user-friendly and integrates with various e-commerce platforms. ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign offers more advanced features like sales automation, CRM integration, and email personalization. It's perfect for businesses looking to dive deep into customer segmentation and advanced automation. ConvertKit, designed for creators and small businesses, ConvertKit makes it easy to set up automated email sequences, build landing pages, and manage subscribers. Social media scheduling tools. Buffer, a tool for scheduling and automating posts across multiple social media platforms. Buffer helps you maintain a consistent presence online. It also provides analytics to track your social media performance. Hootsuite. Hootsuite is another social media automation tool that allows you to schedule posts, monitor mentions, and analyze performance. It's a great choice for businesses looking to manage multiple accounts from one dashboard. Customer Relationship Management (CRM) tools. HubSpot. HubSpot offers an all-in-one CRM with marketing automation features. It helps small businesses track leads, automate emails, and monitor customer interactions, all in one place. Salesforce. Salesforce is a powerful CRM tool that integrates marketing automation to streamline lead generation, sales processes, and customer interactions. Zoho CRM. Zoho provides affordable CRM solutions that allow businesses to automate sales follow-ups, lead nurturing, and reporting. Landing Page Builders. Lead Pages. Lead Pages helps you create high-converting landing pages that capture leads and drive sales. You can automate your lead capture and follow-up processes to convert visitors into paying customers. Unbounce. Unbounce specializes in creating landing pages designed for conversion. It's a great tool for running paid ads and creating automated campaigns based on user behavior. Implementing Marketing Automation, a step-by-step guide. If you're ready to implement marketing automation in your business, here's a simple step-by-step guide. Define your goals. Start by defining clear goals for your marketing automation efforts. Do you want to generate more leads, drive sales, or improve customer retention? Your goals will help determine which tools and strategies to implement. Choose your tools. Based on your goals, choose the right marketing automation tools. Start with one or two tools, like an email marketing platform or CRM, and expand as your needs grow. Set up your campaigns. Begin by setting up your first automated campaign. Whether it's an email nurture series or social media scheduling, start small and test your automation before scaling. Segment your audience. Segment your customers based on behaviors, preferences, and demographics to send more targeted, relevant messages. Analyze and optimize. After launching your campaigns, track the results and analyze performance. Use the data to optimize your strategy and improve your results over time. Common mistakes to avoid. As with any tool, there are a few mistakes to watch out for when implementing marketing automation. Over-automating. While automation is great, don't overdo it. Leave room for human interaction, especially when it comes to building genuine relationships with customers. Ignoring customer feedback. Always ask for feedback, whether through surveys or follow-up emails. Ignoring customer feedback could lead to missed opportunities for improvement. Not testing enough. Don't assume that automation will work perfectly from the start. Test your campaigns regularly and adjust based on performance data. Sending too many emails. Bombarding customers with too many automated emails can lead to unsubscribes. Be mindful of your email frequency and the content you're sending. Conclusion. Marketing automation is a powerful tool for small businesses to scale their marketing efforts, engage customers, and drive sales. By automating repetitive tasks like lead generation, email campaigns, and social media posts, you can save time, improve efficiency, and ultimately see growth in your business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on growing your small business. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions in the comments section. What tools are you most excited to try? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.